Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to look at the NASDAQ Biotech Index Fund IBB, taking a look at some biotech action here, and I'm going to give my analysis and thought process. And the idea here is for you to come away from this video with some extra knowledge on technical analysis, as well as some potential profitable trade ideas by watching this video. If you're not already a member, go ahead and visit the homepage of the website, www.thetradinganalyst.com, and get to know us a little bit better. Once you sign up for the membership, you're going to be able to take part in the professional chat room, the daily watch list, the real-time trade alerts, which are not only given in the live chat room, but for those of you that have a full-time job or a part-time job, or maybe you just don't want to be in front of the computer all day long, you're still going to be able to take part in those profitable trade ideas by the text message and email alerts. You're also going to get the webinars and an education from mentors like myself who truly care about your success in the market. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to have you join the hundreds of other members that are profiting daily at the membership. So let's take a look at this IBB chart. And what I want to point out here is we broke outside of this box. We've been monitoring that for a while. We liked it for a short since it broke this box, and it broke this 200-day moving average as well. Not exactly the kind of bullish action that you want to see out of the biotech here, because if we look back here, we had this downtrend line, there's a touch, and we finally broke over it right here. We broke over the 200-day moving average. We broke over these previous highs last April, last June. We broke over them. It looked like a decent breakout look, but here we are breaking these lows, making new lows right here. Not exactly the bullish action that you want to see. I think that biotech heads lower here. In the short term, we could potentially see a pop higher, but I believe that that'll be a good shorting opportunity from my perspective. So anywhere near 280, that's going to be a good shorting opportunity. To me, this kind of looks like a little bit of a bear flag. On a short-term basis, if we break these highs about 271, we can head higher here for those of you who are short-term traders. For those of you who are looking at the longer-term time frame, then we're definitely heading lower. But short-term, if we break this 271, we can head higher. On the downside, you want to see this low break right here, which is 262.50. But on a closing basis, if we close below these lows right here, about 267, the lows right here, right there, all line up perfectly. That's definitely a level. You can see that we're kind of trading in a little box here on the lower time frames. I'll go ahead and I'll show you the hourly chart here so you can see it a little bit better. See how we're just kind of trading sideways here. So you want to look for a break out of this sideways range. We're trading very, very tight, and this is going to see a bigger move on the shorter time frames. So those of you that trade the shorter time frames, you're going to want to look at that hourly chart to see a range break between 271 and about 276, and that should give you a nice little short-term momentum trade. If we end up breaking down to the downside, which is where I think we're going to head eventually, you can look for potential bounces near about 245 to 240. You can see that this would be a retest of the downtrend line over here, and that lines up perfectly with these previous lows that we made in June, in March, and in February of this year. Thanks for watching the video and stopping by. Remember to visit the homepage, get to know us a little bit better. Again, if you like the free videos and the free analysis that we do for you on a daily basis, then you're going to love the membership at thetradinganalyst.com. And the best part is you're going to be able to take part in the profitable trade alerts that hundreds of members are getting regularly. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to have you.